If you have a W123 or similar model, mid-80s Mercedes, and your window switches are working intermittently, all you have to do is take them apart, clean them, clean the contact points, and reinstall the parts. These original window switchers are so much more high quality than the aftermarket ones. The aftermarket ones don't even compare. So what we're going to do now, I've already cleaned this out. There's all these contact points. So there's 6 contacts for each window. And then this middle thing is the child safety lock, and it has 2 contacts. So I'm going to clean these contacts both on this main body of the switch, and also there's the thing it comes in contact with is these little seesaw pieces. A nice shiny side, and look at the other side is just corroded and pitted, and that's probably why it wasn't working. I've cleaned up all the contact points, and now you can see they're shiny. The ones in the middle are cone shaped. Make sure you get the tip. They drop in like this. Like that. You want to put a tiny amount of grease inside these holes where the springs go. Then put the springs in these holes. Put a tiny amount of grease on the tip of these plastic Once you've dropped in these metal seesaw pieces, the switch, let me make sure make sure the light bulb lines up with this peephole or whatever. Putting grease in here also keeps these springs from popping out while you're trying to install it. I'm going to use this one for the driver's side because it's the best one. I don't know, I didn't show it before, but also the tip of this, see, you can probably see it right there. The one on the left is in way better condition, the little plastic tips. This must have been the driver's side, see how it's all smushed? Hear that snap? Oh, that sounds so solid. Okay, let's put the rest of this back together. Drop these guys in. It's great because all you do is just push it in. And finally, the child lock. If you notice this teeny plastic piece, that's what you need to make it lock in each position. So flat side and a side where the cam goes is like some grooves. Line that up with this side of the switch, with the little cam holder piece. Stick it in from the bottom. And then this little plastic piece will go right in here. Like that. Okay, once that's in, oops, you can put the spring on. Slide it in, make sure that cam doesn't come out. This is probably the trickiest part. Let's see if it worked. Yep. Watch, see how it's up and then down, up, down. Set it in. I'm sure it'll make a clicking sound. Boom, boom. And then now I will hook the wires back up on the back, and then we'll test it out. Oh yeah, works perfect. Once you're done, plug everything back in and make sure it still works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.